Alright, I'm going to take a quick video here. Some of the last pictures I took here, it was pouring rain outside, so I ran into the shop. You can see the tracks with a little bit of moisture on here still. It's been in for a little bit. The arms, where they come down, you'll see on the picture where they attach to the ball socket there. Still got most of the shims in. Some of those need to be pulled out, tighten that up a little bit. And then the side-to-side tilt here, I'll demonstrate that. Straight up, it ain't perfectly tight, but it